Welcome to GDB. The following video is of the ice rink that I made. Just wanted to quickly go over some of the details of it. I used 2x6x10s and I combined them with assembly plates. I did that merely for cost effectiveness and storage space when I have to break this down at the end of the season. There's all kinds of ideas out there on YouTube that you can check out, higher boards, all kinds of stuff. The biggest issue that I ran into was the ground. Is it level or not? Mine wasn't by a long shot. So on the north and east side, I had to use 27 bales of straw to build up that side to get the water to go to the southwest side so I could have ice everywhere. That was my biggest issue. If I would have had more time to plan this year, I would have brought in some dirt and leveled it off. I'm going to try that for next year. The other thing is I made a Zamboni out of 3/4 inch PVC. I'm going to highly recommend at least going 1.5 inches. The 3/4 inch PVC was too flimsy and I had to reinforce it with a 1x2 inch piece of wood and some zip ties. Worked out, but in hindsight I should have went with 1.5 inches. It would have been better. I combined that with a fitting and the hose. Two-person operation. I was able to Zamboni the ice and the other person was pulling the slack for me. Worked out really nice. You'll see that in the video. It wasn't that hard, it just took a lot of time, and with the ground not being level, it cost me more time and more money, so get that ground level if you have the opportunity to. If you like what we do here, give me a thumbs up on this video, and I have other videos you can check out and new projects coming up this summer. Give us a subscribe, and anybody that does that, thank you very much, and we'll see you around. And always grow, do, and be. As you can see, I got everything laid out right now. I'm starting to put it together a little bit. My liner is 65 feet by 32 feet wide. I'm going for 60 foot long by probably 28 feet wide, and that's to allow for overhang of my liner. As you can see, I got 2x6s by 10 feet long here. I'm doing both sides. Keep it solid. That's where we're at right now. Just a couple things here. I want to show you what I'm doing to reinforce this. Taking these pieces here, cutting out with a little edge to it, nothing drastic. Pound them in. Screw these in here, the side to hold it, and be doing all the way around. Get it nice and secure for the weight of the water here. I'm going to put this flush here, and this will reinforce my corner and also create a nice little barrier for the puck to bounce off of. Okay, all my supports are in each corner. One of these, use 3-inch screws to lock this in really well. Did 2 on each side. Got all my little supports here. Each board's about 10 foot long, roughly. I went in the middle of each one, so each one has support. one-man Zamboni right here. I'm going to show you how it works. I already got the water on, some more water. Get it on there, start moving, otherwise your back will stick. Now the ice did thaw on us, and it was really windy, so everything got really choppy. So I need to redo this a couple times to get it nice and even. As you can see, the hot water's coming out of the PVC. I got the old towels behind it, kind of do the Zamboni effect. And I'm down to the end. Now I'm going to go back. I have to clean this up probably with a scraper. Now I come back. It didn't cost me very much to make this. It's a little awkward, but it works. Just getting some hot water and basically sweeping it. As you can see, we got a lot of leaves. Those are almost impossible to avoid. But I'm going to do this, let it freeze, drain my lines, come back out probably tomorrow, do it again until I get this nice and smooth. Have a good pair of shoes, because I had tennis shoes on before, and you will slide all over the place. These ones work pretty good though. That's it, that's my little Zamboni.